Today's lecture takes a more academic turn as we delve into the major theoretical frameworks that shape our understanding of how global governance works and why it sometimes doesn't. Think of these theories as different pairs of glasses, each offering a unique perspective on how global governance works, why it matters, and where it might be headed. Let's explore three of the most influential theories: Realism, Liberalism, and Constructivism. Realism, the power play. First up, we have Realism, the tough guy of international relations theory. Realists see the world as a bit of a jungle where states are constantly vying for power and security. They believe that self-interest is the name of the game and cooperation only happens when it benefits a state's own goals. Key ideas of realism: anarchy. There is no global policeman, so states have to rely on themselves for protection. State-centrism. States are the main actors and their primary concern is survival, power. It's all about military might and economic clout. Self-interest. States act in their own best interest, not for the good of the world. Realists might view global governance as a way for powerful states to maintain their dominance and control the rules of the game. They might also be skeptical of international organizations, seeing them as tools of powerful states rather than independent actors. Liberalism, cooperation for the win. Next, we have liberalism, the optimistic cousin of realism. Liberals believe that cooperation is not only possible but also desirable. They see a world where states can work together to achieve common goals like peace, prosperity, and human rights. Key ideas of liberalism: interdependence. States are connected through trade, communication, and shared interests. International institutions. These organizations create a framework for cooperation and help resolve conflicts. Democracy. Democratic states are less likely to go to war and more likely to cooperate. International law. Rules and norms can guide state behavior and promote peace. Liberals view global governance as essential for addressing global challenges and promoting cooperation. They see international organizations as important players, and they emphasize the role of democracy and international law in creating a more peaceful and prosperous world. Constructivism. Ideas matter. Last but not the least, we have constructivism, the new kid on the theoretical block. Constructivists argue that the world is not just about material power, but also about ideas, norms, and identities. They believe that the way we think about the world shapes our actions and that these ideas can change over time. Key ideas of constructivism: social construction. The world is not fixed. It is shaped by our shared understandings. Identity. States' identities and beliefs influence their behavior. Norms. Shared expectations about what is right and wrong can shape state actions. Change. Ideas can change, and so can the international system. Constructivists see global governance as a process of social interaction and learning. They emphasize the importance of dialogue, persuasion, and the spread of norms in shaping global cooperation. Conclusion: seeing global governance through multiple lenses. So, which theory is right? Well, that's the beauty of it. There's no single answer. Each theory offers a different lens through which to view global governance, highlighting different aspects and dynamics. By understanding these different perspectives, we can gain a more nuanced and comprehensive understanding of this complex and fascinating field.